Hi there, these are the Terra Hair clip-in extensions. I'm going to talk all about Terra Hair and tell you all the great benefits you get with their extensions, along with just benefits of extensions in general, and also how to apply these. So first off, what are clip-in extensions? So they're going to be easy to wear and remove. You don't need any professional help, and it's going to add length and volume to your hair instantly and safely. And they come in a variety of different colors and lengths. So here I have the 18-inch length and the number 4 color. So this is a temporary, non-permanent solution, and it's suitable for special occasions or everyday use. So it's not going to damage your natural hair, and it's a stress-free way of getting longer and fuller hair instantly. So Terra Hair offers affordable hair extensions with high quality hair and minimum shedding and tangling. So it's a low maintenance natural look, and there's lots of colors and lengths to choose from. So what's really great is that they actually have a sample with a free swatch on the bottom, because once you open the actual packaging, you can no longer return them. So they give you a free swatch on the bottom to make sure it's a good match with your hair. So you could just take that out. And then here you could see the swatch. And then you could hold it up next to your hair also in different lighting and at different angles to see if you like the color match. So this is a great match for me. This is the number 4 color, like I mentioned earlier. And so let's go ahead and open up the clip-in extensions. So once you have a good color match, you could go ahead and open the actual extensions themselves. And let's go ahead and take these out. So they come nicely packaged with a hairnet, so it's all neat and put together. So it comes with 7 wefts of hair, all different sizes, 4 throughout your head, and then 2 extra clips as well. So there's a total of 16 clips with a silicone grip on them, so it makes it really nice and easy to install these. And these have a volume of 200 grams, so there's plenty of hair to work with here. So this is available in a 14-inch length all the way up to a 22-inch length. So these here are the 18-inch, and it comes in 50 different colors, so there's plenty to choose from, and they're super easy to apply. So let's get into that. Okay, so to get started applying your clip-in extensions, all you need is a comb and a clip. It's really simple, and I like to start at the back of my head, so I'm gonna turn around so you can see. So I like to use the larger pieces in the back of my head, starting with the second to the largest one towards the bottom of my hair. So you just wanna section that off and clip the rest of your hair out of the way. So with the clips open, I am just going to go right along this part line and clip them into place, making sure to grab some of my own hair. So I'm going to take the rest of my hair down and go about 1 inch higher to approximately the widest section of my head. Pull all that hair down. And here I'll be using the longest weft and clipping that into place. So I like to do the middle first. I'm gonna do one more in the back, making sure I'm leaving enough hair to hide the extension, and then release. So this is just with the back clipped in, and now I'm going to add some into the front here. So these are the smaller extensions. These have 2 clips and 1 clip. So I'm gonna do one of each on each side. I'm using the one with 2 clips first, and I like to go a little bit further back away from the front of my face so it's not too close. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to get some extra length, lots of extra volume, and it just blends seamlessly. So make sure to grab your extensions from terrahair.com.